Hi everyone, so in this video today I'm going to be making a chicken tagine. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to marinate the chicken. So I've marinated in smoky paprika, I've added in some cumin, I also added in some turmeric and some lovely fragrant cinnamon. Give that dry spice mix all a good rub in and then put it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. So when you're ready to cook, you want to sear off the chicken thighs in some olive oil. So you want to sear the chicken in both sides, so flip them over halfway. The next thing to add is those chopped onions and some garlic, and then you're going to leave that to cook for about 15 minutes with the lid on. So while it's cooking, I'm going to use some dates. Now these ones are already pitted, so they haven't got the stone inside them, but the dates are lovely and sweet and they go really jammy in the tagine. And I also love adding chickpeas for a bit of texture and some lemon in there for some zest. Now you can eat this with couscous or quinoa or anything like that, but I've chosen to use some brown rice and I'm going to add in some spring greens into there and some parsley. So once the chicken's been cooking for about 15 minutes and the onions have sweated down nicely, and so the garlic as well, you want to add in your dates, your lemons in there as well. Then in go the lovely chickpeas for that nutty texture, and then add some water, top it up, cover and let that cook for about an hour. So once that's cooked low and slow for an hour, I'm going to garnish it with some parsley or some coriander. You can add in some chopped nuts as well and fluff up our rice. So I have the spring greens in there. It's lovely like brown basmati rice. And ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I hope you get to try this out at home.